friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about common grammatical errors in English sentences. He promised calling me. Wrong. He promised to call me. In nowadays, marriage is going out of fashion. Wrong. Correct is nowadays marriage is going out of fashion. He doesn't speak English at all. Wrong. He doesn't speak English at all. Correct. Nick doesn't like sweets. Wrong. Nick doesn't like sweets. Correct. I need remember it. Wrong. I need to remember it. Correct. I need clean the house. Wrong. I need to clean the house. Correct. I like very much reading. I like reading very much. Listen attentively to me. Listen to me attentively. Correct. I must to do it today. Wrong. I must do it today. Correct. Could it to be true? Wrong. Could it be true? Correct. This is good a book. Wrong. This is a good book. Correct. It was common a mistake. Wrong. It was a common mistake. Correct. I saw a good dream last night. Wrong. I had a good dream last night. Correct. I dreamt a good dream last night. Correct. Have you some sugar? Wrong. Have you any sugar? Correct. He hasn't some money. Wrong. He hasn't any money. Correct. Our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.